Welcome to our lesson on classification. Classification is one of the most fundamental concepts in biology. It helps us make sense of the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Today, we'll explore how scientists organize and categorize the millions of species that exist on our planet. So, what exactly is classification? Classification is the process of grouping organisms based on their shared characteristics and evolutionary relationships. Think of it like organizing books in a library. Just as books are grouped by genre or author, living things are grouped by their similarities. This makes it easier to study and understand the relationships between different forms of life. Why is classification so important? First, it provides organization. With millions of species on Earth, classification makes studying them manageable. Second, it helps with identification. When scientists discover a new organism, classification helps them name it and understand where it fits. Third, it reveals relationships. Classification shows us how different species are connected through evolution. Finally, it allows prediction. Once we classify an organism, we can predict certain traits it might have based on its classification group. Let's learn some key terms. Taxonomy is the science of naming and classifying organisms. It's the formal study that gives us the rules and methods for classification. A taxon is a group of organisms at any level of classification. Whether we're talking about a small group or a large one, it's called a taxon. Species is the most specific level of classification. It represents organisms that are most closely related and can typically reproduce with one another. Classification is organized into 8 hierarchical levels, moving from the broadest to the most specific. Starting from the top, we have domain, which is the broadest category. Then kingdom, followed by phylum, then class, then order, then family, then genus, and finally species, which is the most specific level. Each level gets more specific as we move down, meaning organisms at lower levels share more characteristics with each other. To help remember the order of these levels, many students use a mnemonic device. A popular one is, "Dear King Philip came over for good soup." The first letter of each word corresponds to the classification levels: domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Feel free to create your own mnemonic if this one doesn't work for you. The important thing is to remember the sequence. Let's look at a real example. Humans, whose scientific name is Homo sapiens. Humans belong to the domain Eukarya, which includes all organisms with complex cells. Our kingdom is Animalia, the animal kingdom. Our phylum is Chordata, which includes all animals with a spinal cord. Our class is Mammalia, meaning we're mammals. Our order is Primates, which includes apes and monkeys. Our family is Hominidae, the great apes. Our genus is Homo, and our species is Sapiens. This complete classification tells us exactly where humans fit in the tree of life. Let's review the key takeaways. Classification organizes life based on shared characteristics, helping us understand the relationships between organisms. There are 8 hierarchical levels, from the broad domain level all the way down to the specific species level. Classification reveals evolutionary relationships, showing us how different organisms are connected through common ancestors. Most importantly, it makes studying millions of species manageable by creating an organized system. Understanding classification is essential for anyone studying biology, as it's the foundation for understanding biodiversity and evolution.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.